What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. I know there's already a ton of unboxing videos on this new laptop. However, I still wanted to make my own. That way I can have a memory of when I first got this laptop. Having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we do have a tab right over here on the bottom, so we're going to go ahead and pull that off. And the plastic should have come off pretty easily. So here we are. Just got to move that to the side. By the way guys, I will have links in the description below if you want to go ahead and check out this laptop. So now we'll go ahead and remove the box cover by lifting it up. And there we go. The first thing you see is the laptop itself, and it does have a little tab here so you can lift it up. Here we go. We'll go ahead and set that to the side just for right now, just to check out what else it comes with. We have this little booklet designed by Apple in California. You'll see that we have a user guide and then also some space gray Apple stickers. The next thing we have is the new 96 watt USB-C power adapter. So this should charge your MacBook a lot faster than the old one. And the last thing we have here is just a regular USB-C cable, and that's everything that comes in the box. So now we'll go ahead and finally take off the wrapper on this new MacBook Pro. So we do have a tab right here on the back where you can go ahead and rip off the plastic and then remove that. So on the right side, it looks like we have two USB-C inputs with the headphone jack. And on the other side, we just have two more USB-C inputs. And on the front, you can just see the Apple logo. On the back, we just have four stubs all around the corners. And then now we'll go ahead and open it up. And we'll remove this little plastic. And it looks like it turned on automatically right when we opened up the screen. And here it is, wanting us to set up the laptop itself. The display itself looks really nice. It has small bezels all around the screen, and the other major differences would be that we now have an escape key and then a separate place for Touch ID. The keyboard is also different. Here you can check out how much of a difference 8 years makes. You can especially see it in the screen itself. We have a lot larger bezels here, and then now we have very small ones. But that sums up my unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts on the new 16-inch MacBook Pro in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.